Welcome guys, today I'm with the Edifier X5 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and in the back of the charging case you can find this input for the USB-C cable. Next, when you charge them, you have to open the case and take them out of this case. As you can see, right now they blinks on the blue. And if this indicator on the left earbud it is not blinking red and blue, it means that we have to enter for the pairing mode manually. So you have to click and hold this touch control panel until this indicator starts blinking like that. Yeah, there it is. Next, you have to open the settings on your phone, click to pair new device and select Edifier X5 left. Accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are connected. It looks like you connect only the left earbud, but actually they synchronize, so you will hear sound in the two earbuds. There is only pairing mode available on the left earbud. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.